everyone, less than a month of living in Italy and I already have some food items that I am obsessed with and that I look forward to getting when I go to the grocery store. And today is a grocery store day. On Instagram, you have filled my messages inbox with some delicious suggestions, so thank you so much. And so in this video, I will show you some of my favorite of those treats that I'm so excited to just have here, readily available. The way I shop for food on like a daily basis is just in my neighborhood. This is actually something I love about where we live. In a little like 4 to 5 block radius, there is everything I need. It's a bunch of little specialty stores sprinkled around my neighborhood. In terms of my usual kind of day-to-day grocery gets, I did shoot a little bit on that for the pizza video I published last week, which I ended up cutting out for time. So I'm gonna play it now, just so you can see what my usual routine is. And now, I've gotta go get my ingredients to top on this pizza. So I may not be able to like go to restaurants and do a lot of the things I would normally do upon moving to Italy, but I can hit up the adorable little shops in my neighborhood. In just a few block radius, I have everything I need. I've got the cheese shop, I've got the produce market, I've got the salumeria. If I decided to get meat or fish, I have those too. So it's great. I get some freshly made mozzarella. For these 2 balls of fresh mozzarella, it was €3 total. Sweet. Produce market, I pick up a few things. Like compared to London or New York City, eating really well just feels kind of more accessible here. I love shopping that way because it's local, I'm meeting my neighbors, it allows me to practice my Italian, and I feel like I'm supporting local businesses. However, this is a grocery haul video, so I'm gonna go to a proper grocery store. You know, when I was telling Connor I needed to do a big grocery haul because our apartment is like pretty much empty in terms of things to eat right now, he was like, you should do a grocery haul video. And I was like, huh? What's that? And then I became acquainted, went down a rabbit hole on YouTube. So I thought, why not? I'll give it a try. It's just me with like my backpack and a few extra bags. So we'll see what I can do in terms of hauling. So let's go get a bunch of this delicious stuff, shall we? Yeah, let's go. Bags are full and heavy, so I called Connor. He's on his way. Thanks, Connor. Successful grocery shop down, and I mean, does anyone else get like really stressed going to the grocery store, especially during COVID? It's awkward at times. And like with this haul, I didn't get any of the fruit or veg that I'm going to be using this week. That's a lie. I got onions, garlic, and carrots. I've been saving all of my like leafy green stems and all that stuff, mixed with the carrots and some onions. I'm gonna make my own vegetable broth. Yeah, like, but do you see all this plastic? This is why I don't love to get my produce at the grocery store, because my local veg spot here, they don't wrap everything. First up, breakfast. So yogurt, the stuff I already have in the fridge, it's good, but it's so sugary. And I noticed that they have Fage here as well. Where is Fage produced? Well, it's from Luxembourg. Anyway, the flavor, not too sugary, which I don't really want in my morning yogurt. Cereal, we're going Nature Mix with rice, whole grain wheat, and barley flakes. Got us some milk as well for that situation. Also for my coffee, si consiglia di agitare prima dell'uso. All right, so that's breakfast. Transitioning now to cleaning up the house. Dishwashing liquid is just about out, so I had to get more. Was really pleased to see that they do sell these big bags that I can refill this with, so I don't have to buy more of this, more plastic stuff. I mean, they do recycle in Italy, and actually the recycling bins are much more like regimented and separated out than they were in London. I found a can opener here in this flat that we're renting. At first I didn't think there was a can opener when I was looking through the drawer, and then I was like, oh no, that's what this thing is. It's like an old school can opener. I posted about it on my Instagram story, and so many people responded saying, this is the can opener my grandma had or my grandpa used. I just felt like it was a weapon. Like, I was like, we're gonna get hurt. We're gonna go to the hospital really soon. So, got a can opener. Okay, moving on to the butter. 2 kinds of butter, and this stuff is gonna be what's like spread on my toast or whatever. I got some arborio rice to make risotto. You know, this is something, and this goes with the polenta as well. There are many options of these things. So in London or in the States, you would find like 1 thing of arborio rice, 1 thing of polenta, give or take. And here there's just a lot of options. So among all the options, I chose this. You go up to Northern Italy, they have so many kinds of polenta. Much more than honestly what I saw in my grocery store right here, where there were options, but not so many. In Northern Italy, you've got all kinds of options in terms of like the grain size. So you have white polenta, you have yellow polenta, and different kinds of things supposedly go better with the different kinds of polenta. I got some spices. I've got my cinnamon, I've got my oregano, and you know, we'll start building slowly but surely. Olives, I'm gonna make a puttanesca sauce. Walnuts, I don't know, thought it might be good to put in some cookies. Pistachios, I am planning on making a pistachio cookie, which I'm gonna tell you about more later once we get to the dessert stuff. Some tea bags, finocchio, this is fennel. I love sipping this before I go to bed. I also got taralli. If you're not familiar with taralli, I'm gonna open this right now. These delicious biscuits. So addicting. Sorry, I got really parched there for a second with that taralli. And I opened what I'll tell you in a moment that I also got. So this taralli, this is taralli al peperoncino, which means it's spicy, it's got a little kick. I got this kind. But yeah, taralli, such a good snack, like, so good. So great with aperitivo too, so Campari spritz, some taralli, you're good. You have started your evening off in a great way. And this, what I got, what I just opened, so this is a San Pellegrino Cinotti di Sicilia. Yeah, it's good, you know. I'm not gonna lie, it's got some like Coca-Cola vibes, but it's good and it's not as like super sugary, so that's delicious. I got another one, I got another San Pellegrino. My little kind of like special drinks that are, you know, special occasion. I don't drink them every day, but it's nice sometimes. Okay, on to the pasta. These pasta aisles are epic. So many options of pasta, so many options. And I have determined, also from some trusted Italian friends, Rumo is a great brand to go with. I got some spaghetti. This is numero 3. That refers to the width of the actual noodle, how big it is. Italians are very specific, and so like certain recipes, it'll be like like spaghetti number 9, spaghetti number 3, whatever it is. I haven't ever really had these before. This is gnocchetti sardi. I almost always try and get a pasta shape that I am not familiar with, and try cooking with that, because that's always fun. And then I also got, this is specific to this region, I'm in Puglia. This is orecchiette. It is a shape that is known in this area, and yeah, and I love it. Okay, along the lines of the lots of pasta, there's so many options for all things canned tomato. I got some tomato paste, I got a couple cans of whole peeled tomatoes, and then passata di pomodoro. So passata, this is like a tomato sauce. It's kind of like a base of a lot of recipes. Uova. On the cheese front, so all I got was this Parmigiano Reggiano. There's a cheese shop right nearby that I'm already very loyal to, especially for fresh cheeses like mozzarella. I know that they make it in the back of the cheese shop, so I'm obviously gonna get it there. It's gonna be much fresher. I got chocolate. I really am kind of a chocoholic, so I got a bunch of chocolate, although, you know, some of it is going to be to savor and enjoy. Others of it I'm going to put in cookies. I'm gonna make some delicious brownies. Like, it's just always good to have chocolate on hand, you know what I mean? I did not hold back on the desserty, chocolatey cookie type stuff on this trip. You know, Thanksgiving is later this week. I'm going all out. Okay, so my friend Izzy told me about these grisby. There were all kinds of varieties of these when I saw. She specifically had sent me a picture of this nocciola, so hazelnut filled grisby. That will be fun. Should I try one right now? Yeah. This is like an unboxing video now. Oh, the smell. Oh, as soon as you open it, it's just like chocolatey. Oh, that's good. Uh-oh. I have a new favorite. This is great. Oh, dang. What's good is the texture too. There's a layer that's like, it's almost like a hardened chocolate layer that you bite through. Oh, snap. Oh, that's good. Italy has got their biscotti situation on lock. So good. So this is getting long. I'm gonna save the second part of this for my next post, so stay tuned for that. Now, I think I'm gonna go eat some abbracci. Yeah, definitely craving some biscotti now. Don't forget to keep it quirky, obviously.